The year was 1966. Australia Day, a day of national pride and celebration, dawned bright and warm in Adelaide. Families flocked to the beaches, seeking respite from the summer heat. Among them were the Beaumonts Jim and Nancy, along with their 3 children, Jane, Arna, and Grant. Little did they know, their lives were about to be irrevocably changed. That day, the sun-drenched shores of Glenelg Beach bore witness to an unimaginable tragedy: the disappearance of the 3 Beaumont children. 9-year-old Jane, her 7-year-old sister Arna, and their little brother, 4-year-old Grant, vanished without a trace, leaving behind a legacy of heartache and unanswered questions that continues to haunt Australia. The children's disappearance sent shockwaves through the nation. What began as a carefree summer outing quickly morphed into a parent's worst nightmare. The image of the 3 young faces, frozen in time on missing person posters, became etched into the national consciousness. Australia, a country that prided itself on its laid-back nature and sense of community, was forced to confront a darkness that shattered its innocence. The Beaumont case marked a turning point, a stark reminder that even in paradise, evil could lurk. The disappearance of the Beaumont children remains one of Australia's most baffling mysteries, a case that has captivated and confounded investigators and the public for decades. The lack of concrete leads, the absence of any ransom demands, and the sheer audacity of the crime, committed in broad daylight at a crowded beach, fueled endless speculation and conspiracy theories. Despite the passage of time, the case continues to generate immense public interest, a testament to the enduring power of hope, the insatiable need for answers, and the unwavering belief that even the most perplexing mysteries can be solved. The case also had a profound impact on Australian society, leading to changes in parental attitudes towards children's safety. The carefree days of children roaming free, unaccompanied by adults, were over. A new era of vigilance and protectiveness emerged, forever altering the landscape of Australian childhood. The Beaumont children's disappearance became a chilling reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of cherishing every moment with loved ones. The last confirmed sighting of the Beaumont children was at Wenzel's Bakery, a popular local shop just a short walk from the beach. It was around 11:45 a.m., and the children, their skin still damp from the ocean, entered the bakery, their pockets jingling with coins. They were on a mission to buy some treats, their young faces alight with anticipation. One of the children, likely Jane the eldest, proudly presented a £1 note at the counter, a detail that would later become a crucial clue in the investigation. A shop assistant later recalled a chilling detail. One of the children, their voice barely a whisper above the bakery's din, mentioned the man. The comment, though seemingly innocuous at the time, would later take on a sinister significance as investigators desperately tried to piece together the children's final moments. Who was this man? Was he someone the children knew, someone who had befriended them on the beach that day? The answer, like so many others in this perplexing case, remains elusive. Several witnesses at the beach that day reported seeing the children in the company of a tall, thin man with fair hair. He was described as being in his 30s and having an athletic build. Some witnesses recalled him engaging in playful activities with the children, his laughter mingling with theirs as they frolicked on the sand. He was seen buying them treats and drinks, his generosity disarming any potential suspicion. This man, who seemed so ordinary, so unassuming, would become the focal point of the investigation, his image seared into the minds of a nation desperate for answers. Was this mystery man responsible for the children's disappearance? Did he lure them away from the beach with promises of fun and adventure, only to harm them? Or was he, as some believe, an innocent bystander, his presence at the beach that day a tragic coincidence? Despite numerous leads and potential breakthroughs, the identity and motives of this man remain a mystery, his story entwined with that of the missing children, their fates forever linked in the annals of Australian crime.